Good morning. So today we're at the beautiful Langland Bay down in Swansea. So we're going to have a look around here today and see what this place has got to offer. It's beautiful so far down here and it's a gorgeous day today. So yeah, as you can see behind me, let me give you a show. Hey, let's go. Oh, there we go. We're here at Langland Bay. A little coffee, start the day off right. And then we're probably going to take a walk from Langland Bay to Caswell Bay using the Wales Costal Path. So with the day as clear as it is, should be a nice day with some nice views. So there's one thing I wanted to show you, which I would drop a coffee. These huts, you can see behind me, cool little huts. Be nice in the summer. So, see them? I don't know. Let's go a quick check out of these huts. Yeah, alright, doesn't it? You know, nice in the summer, sitting out here, the sea, beach, can't beat it. Right, let's go finish my coffee, we'll get on with our walk. Coffee is done. Now we're going to start walking towards Caswell Bay. As you can see, I don't know if you can see over there, the path runs around there, around the coast. So yeah, let's go and have a little walk and check out the lovely views and have a nice stroll. Beautiful, isn't it? Such amazing views from up here. We've only just started walking as well, so it's amazing, it's so nice. So we'll, as you can see, if I show you here now, we can see the path that we're going to be taking. We're going to take that to Caswell Bay. Wow, this place is amazing. The views are spectacular, really nice. And we've only been walking for about 10 minutes. And we're already, as you can see Caswell Bay. So that's where we're heading. So let's go. almost now at Caswell Bay. Hasn't taken us very long. It's taken us about half an hour. Stopping off, taking some videos, some photos. As you can tell, the path is pretty decent, so it's quite an easy walk, but it's not really about the walk on this one. It's about the views, you know. So if you are going to come here, pick a nice day so you can really appreciate the views. To Caswell Bay. Look. Coffee time.
Yes, coffee time.
We finally made it to Caswell Bay. It was a beautiful walk over the coastal path. Really nice. Yeah, stunning views. Honestly, if you ever sort of want to come this way, definitely do that coastal path from Langland Bay to Caswell Bay. And as I said, now we're here, and look, wow, this beach is massive. It's huge. You know, a lot of people bringing their dogs, just going for leisurely strolls. There's a cafe back up there somewhere. Up there, do a nice coffee, you know, some food. Yeah, so definitely worth coming to Caswell Bay and just taking a stroll on the beach, you know, just have a little wander, you know, especially when the tide is out, because as you can see, if I show you, you know, it's quite a long walk, you know, from where we started up there, you know, all the way down. So yeah, come to Caswell Bay and just have a nice little stroll, walk around.
Clear the head.
Clear the head, exactly. Clear the head. You know, that's what it's all about, isn't it? You know, breathe in that sea air. You know, he said, put the mind at rest, especially after a busy week. You know, it's always nice to come somewhere like this, especially on a nice day as well. It's a beautiful day, you know, it's still cold, it's in February, but you know, it's still nice to get outdoors and go for a stroll, you know. So yeah, we're gonna have a little walk around here now, just enjoy it, maybe go down to the sea, watch some people surf, you know, and just take it in, I guess. Something about the sea, isn't it? You know, it's so calming, so peaceful. It's just beautiful, isn't it? You know, what more can you ask for on a nice day to be by the sea and just enjoying it, you know. Just, like I said, there's so many people here today just enjoying the weather, really. It's one of the first nice days we've had in a long time, so loads of people are out today just enjoying the weather. See Elise behind me taking loads of photos. She's enjoying herself as well. Viola. So I think we're going to spend a bit of time here now, just wandering around, taking some photos, and then we'll probably start making our way back. Here we go. I could watch that all day. Such a beautiful view. Absolutely amazing. Anyway, we're on our way back to the car now, guys. It's been a beautiful day, really nice day. Like I said, the views up here are fantastic, so you know, you've got to come check them out. Honestly, you won't be disappointed. Yeah, so definitely do the coastal path from Langland Bay to Caswell Bay. Yeah, you'll thank me later. Right, let's go. Now we're back at the car. Yeah, what a beautiful walk that was. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, you know, and if you are in the area, definitely come down and check out the coastal path. As I said, pick a nice day and you won't be disappointed. Right, so like I said, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you on the next one.